Hi everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and today I have some sad news. I will not be posting any more videos as far as I can see on YouTube, simply because it's almost impossible for me to log into my account. I have tried many times. I have also changed my password 1,000 times, and I'm having trouble logging in, and as a result, I cannot upload my videos. So that's it. I'm done. I just wanted to let you know, and if you are interested, then please, by all means, leave a comment down here below, and I will put you on my mailing list. And as soon as I find another way to upload videos, maybe perhaps onto Facebook, or establish another channel, I will gladly email you and let you know. So thank you, all of those of you that have been faithful and have watched my videos. I want to say goodbye. I will leave whatever information I can down below concerning other platforms that you can follow me, follow my work. And that's it. I'm done with this YouTube channel. If you see me again, if I'm able to establish a new channel with a new account name and a new password that will not, I don't know, disappear, then by all means I will let you know. I will send you an email and we can proceed from then. In the meantime, this channel will still be up, and you can still go back and see a lot of my old videos where I teach you all types of tricks and tips on card making. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon, hopefully. Again, if you are interested, leave a comment down below, and I'll comment back and somehow get your email address, and I'll let you know what I'm doing as far as a new channel is concerned. Thank you once again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.